Hi, my dears. Welcome back to Wisdom Air online classes. The today class we are discussing about the rational numbers in a standard form. What is this rational numbers in a standard form? So, if the rational number, the denominator of these rational numbers are positive integer and one is common factor between the numerator and the denominator. Further, the negative sign occurs only in the numerator. We are considering as those rational numbers are in a standard form. So, how to make these rational numbers in a standard form, or the given rational numbers or standard form or not? You can check it by the some condition. A rational number is said to be a standard form. You can check it by some rules. The first one rule is the denominator is a positive integer, and the second one is the numerator and denominator have a no common factor other than 1. Then we can consider as that rational number in a standard form. If it is not satisfied those two conditions, then we cannot call it as that is in a standard form. Check it some example by using those two rules. Yes, your 3 by 5, yes, it is in a standard form because 5 is a positive integer and those two have a common factor, that is 1. Other than 1, there is no common factor. Yes, minus 7 by 11, here is the numerator and denominator have a no common factor other than 1, and the denominator is a positive integer, then 7 by 11 is also in a standard form. Yes, you can check it this by using some examples also. A rational numbers are said to be a standard form means the denominator is a positive integer and numerator denominator have a no common factors other than 1. Minus 45 divided by 30. Here minus 45 by 30, check it whether it is in standard form or not. Here the first condition, denominator is a positive integer. Yes, here the denominator is a 30, it is in standard form. But numerator and denominator have a no common factors. But those minus 45 and 30 have the common factors other than 1 also. So it has the common factor. How you can reduce into the standard form? Yes, you have to use the HCF method to find the HCF for 45 and 30 by the prime factorization method or factors method. Here how to find the HCF, you already know about this. Yes, so after the HCF you will get the some factorization. In this factorization for 45 factors are 5 into 3 into 3 and 30 factors is 5 into 2 into 3. In those also the common factor 5 and 3. So HCF is equals to the 5 into 3. The HCF is 15. After finding the HCF, what is the next step is, so first you have to find the highest common factor of both two numbers. Then for 45 and 30 you have to divide those by the HCF. Then you will get the standard form. Then after minus 3 by 2. Yes, minus 3 by 2 only the standard form of this because it has a denominator as a positive integer and minus 3 and 2 have the common factor. Then there is no other common factors other than 1. So minus 3 by 2, it is only the standard form of minus 45 divided by 30. Take the another one example here. The next one is second example here. So 36 divided by minus 24. So here you should find the HCF for this 36 divided by minus 24 because here the denominator not have any positive number, so it has a negative. So what you have to do is to find the HCF So 36 have a factors. What are the factors for the 36? So first, by the factorization also you can find the highest common factor. Yes. So for 24, 2 into 2 into yes. So what are the common factors in that? So HCF is 2 into 2 into 3. So what is this? 12 is the answer. So A12 is the HCF, thus the standard form would be obtained by dividing minus 12 on both sides. Yes. So because you have to make it the denominator as a positive, that's why you have to divide by the minus 12. So 36 divided by minus 12 and minus 24 divided by minus 12. So 36 divided by minus 12 is equals to minus 3. His answer is minus 3. 12 ones are 12 3 is a minus 3. Then it is become a plus 2 because minus and minus it will become as a plus. So what is the standard form of this is minus 3 by 2. It is only the standard form of 36 divided by minus 24. Take another one example here. And the another one example is minus 3 by minus 15. So it is also not in a standard form because the denominator is a negative number. So find the HCF of minus 3 and minus 15. So find the HCF for 3 and 15. So what are the factors for the 3 is 3 into 1. What are the factors for 15 is 3 into 5 into 1. So what is the HCF is 3 into 3. The HCF is 9. Only the common factor is 3. So HCF is 3. And the both you have to divide both of the side by the HCF. Minus 3 by minus 15, divide both of the side by the minus 3 because denominator should be positive. To make a positive you have to divide by the negative. So what is the answer is 1 by 5. So standard form of this is 1 by 5. So this is all about the how to make the numbers in a standard form. So by using some rules you can make it